Do you want a quick recipe for Maamoul this Eid? I got you. We will make the fastest and easiest Maamoul with flour without using semolina. When you bake this Maamoul in the oven, your home will be the coziest home in the neighborhood. The smell of baked Maamoul is amazing and it reminds us of our childhood. Today we will make date stuffed Maamoul. You can use this dough to make any kind of Maamoul you want. Start with 2 cups of flour. I will put the measurement below the video. Add 2/3 cup of ghee. Use a good quality of ghee because it will affect the taste of Maamoul, and mix the ingredients together. Start by binding the flour and ghee together with your hand until they reach this texture. Add half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. The name of this Maamoul is sweetened condensed milk Maamoul because we use it in the dough. Add half a teaspoon of mahlab. If you don't have it, no problem. 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix the ingredients with a spoon to avoid touching the condensed milk directly with your hands. And at this stage, you can mix it with your hand. Don't knead, just mix the ingredients together. Depending on the type of flour you have, you might need to add a few teaspoons of orange blossom water or water if you don't need the extra taste of orange blossom water. You need to reach this texture, and now you have to refrigerate the dough for 15 minutes. Cover it and let it cool completely. For the date stuff, half a kilogram of date paste, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. And as I said before, you can use this dough to make any type of Maamoul you want. Start by forming balls with the date, 25 grams per ball. After refrigerating the dough, knead it a little bit just to mix the ingredients together after cooling, and start by forming balls like the date paste. 30 grams per ball. Now we are ready to put the date inside the dough. Bring each ball like this, make it thinner with your fingers, and put the date ball inside it. Cover it with the Maamoul dough until there is no date exposed. Roll it with your hands like this to reach a better texture. Ta-da! And now to my favorite part. Put the balls on parchment paper and start by pressing the mold on each ball. And now you have a beautiful flower like you. An optional step to retain the design on the top of Maamoul is to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. Then, to a preheated oven on 170 degrees Celsius, broil it from the top for 5 minutes. Then bake it from the bottom for 10 minutes or until it reaches this color. Remove the tray and let the Maamoul rest. But of course, don't hesitate to try one piece when it's hot, it's very delicious. See how the design of the flower is retained because we freeze the Maamoul and we broiled it from the top. The beautiful thing about making Maamoul at home is that your home will smell like childhood. It's very cozy. All the memories, all the good moments, this Maamoul will bring every memory to you. See how the texture of the dough is smooth, it will melt in your mouth. The smell of orange blossom and rose water is amazing. The beautiful taste and smell of authentic ghee used. It's the perfect Maamoul for this season. Try this Maamoul and enjoy it with your family. عيد أضحى مبارك. صحتين وهنا.